Hey guys, it's your girl Sophia, your host for the Campus Celebrity TV show. We're live at Federal University of Technology, Owerri, to have an exclusive session with Remmy Chukwunyere, who is a businessman, serial investor, blogger, and politician. Okay, let's meet him. Hey.
Hello.
Hi, how you doing?
I'm doing great, and you?
I'm good. So, would you mind introducing yourself?
Okay. My name is Remmy Chukwunyere Jnr, an entrepreneur, CEO of Sendamna Logistics, Krabby Chops, and Bossist Media. I'm a final year student of Futo, and I'm from Imo State. Yeah.
Nice. You've always been business inclined?
Yeah, I've always been business inclined right from when I was small, and that's when I actually started. I started very, very early. My dad pushed me, especially, to start off a business at a young age. I started as a media person.
Okay.
As a blogger. I run bosses.com. So I remember then that I skipped classes, to follow him to events, stuff like that, to go and cover, make stories, because I love making stories from my head, from the scratch. I don't like you telling me, and I'll make up. Let me just go there, witnesses, and know what to put together. So then I skipped classes in my secondary school just to follow him, and that has been it actually. Yeah.
Wow, that's really good. You skip classes too.
No, it's okay. It's not,
were you getting bad grades too?
No. Funny enough, my grades were very, very good. I was the best graduating student then in secondary school. Yeah, I had so many. I think about 4 A1s and the rest of them. Yeah.
You have been really smart. Like, no, you are smart.
For real.
You are smart. So, can you share one defining moment in your life?
Defining moment that changed everything. That changed everything.
Yeah.
I remember when people thought I wasn't a serious person, and yeah, people didn't see me as a serious person. Like, what can you do for yourself? What can you do for yourself? You don't have anything to do. You see people winning this award or doing this great. See young people. Then there was this particular program they show on. I don't know if it's NT. I can't remember the program, but they were displaying children, like young people building maybe aeroplanes or whatever. My mom, after watching it, my mom looked at me and finished me and said, "Why can't you go and start something? What can't you say you want to be this, you want to be that? Why don't start now?" After hearing, how as mothers talk now. Yeah. After hearing that, I went to think about my life. Yes, I went to go and think about my life and ask myself, "Young man, what can you do?" And I remember that, okay, I wanted to start up a blog. I always admired Lindy KG because Lindy KG's blog was the hottest, blog then. So I went to look out for what to do and all those things. So I started off my BuzzGist blog, and that has been it since then. So after that, talk, go and find something, I started doing it. So after 1 month, 2 months of me starting off, I started in May 2018. Like about June, July, my dad called me that he has been seeing something, this link, is this my own? I said yes. He looked at it, he was so impressed, he bought me my first domain. Ooh. The next time I got a laptop, it became a full-time job, and I loved it so much. I've been blogging since 2018 till now, so that I can call the defining moment. It's a good defining moment actually. Yeah. It's
very beautiful tough love. And mothers, like African parents, do that. They push you beyond what you feel like you can do.
Honestly, I will give that to my mom. I'll give it to her. Yeah.
Love mommy, love Remy's mommy. Sorry, love my mommy. Oh, love my mommy too.
It's fine.
Love my mommy very well. So, can you share with us how you've been able to birth ideas for your businesses?
Okay, apart from my media brand that I started in 2018, I started a food brand. As a food lover, actually, I love I like food a lot. Do you get? And so, as somebody based in Abuja, you go out a lot. You see fancy restaurants, fancy cafes. I was like, I need to start up something. And then I was into a food photography. So one of my boss, Sherlock Depot Smart, he made me his official photographer. Then we were going to this food tasting and thereabout. So I was so much interested in starting up something like that. So I came back to I was like, okay, what do I do? So someone dear to me, very, very dear to me, she told me that, okay, let's start up a food brand, okay, a chops brand. Something like this is not in nowhere. Do you understand? Where an online store, people can order and we deliver. I thought about it. I said, okay, we can actually make it different from the regular thing. You don't have to make small chops. Only a big man's food, like only going to wedding, you see small chops and you classifying as the big man's something. So we said, okay, let's bring it down to both the rich, both the middle class, whatever can afford it. So that's how we started Cravy Chops in January 2022, and we're actually a year now. And apart from that, I started my logistics brand earlier this year. Understand? So I saw the need of dispatching my products or any other person's products very fast and faster than they can imagine, because I had my own fair share of dispatch riders disappointing me, disappointing my brand. So I had to hustle, make more money, and that's why I started my logistics.
Hustler.
Yeah.
A hustler you are. That's very nice. How are you able to combine school and what you do?
It's not a big deal. If you know what you're doing, it shouldn't be a big problem to you. Do you understand? I know I have time for everything. I dedicated time to business, time to school, maybe student politics or secular politics. There are times for that. Do you understand? So when it's time for school, I go to school. I attend classes. If we have early morning class, you see me, I wake up, dress up, go to school. If I learn, I come back, do my business. There are orders for the chops or whatever, the food. I have people that are actually doing it. If it's the logistics business, my riders and the secretary, they're handling that one. So I really don't have much to, say, I have to do this, I have to do that. But my school first. So let's get the degree and come out. Yeah.
Let's get the degree. For your mommy and for your dad, will you use that?
Anybody, please. Come and take the degree.
Who is your biggest supporter?
Biggest supporter?
Yes.
I have a whole lot of supporters out there. They know themselves. You understand? So I should choose one person now, problem will be. But first of all, my biggest supporter is my dad, Mr. Remmy Chukwunyere, and my mom and brothers, and then the person I hold so dear to my heart. Names withheld.
Okay.
So I really want to appreciate everybody patronizing my brand, giving me the opportunities I need to grow, to go far. Yeah. So
what advice would you give to someone who wants to trade the same part you've traded, like especially as a student?
Just start small. Yeah, just start small. Don't let anything discourage you. I've not told anybody, but do you know that we started Cravy Chops with a paint of flour and sugar. We didn't start with a bag of whatever. We started small. We started with that little we could handle. We wanted to test the market. When I started my blogging, I didn't just open up a full website. I started with a free blogging tool. I started with that one. When I started my food brand, I didn't start with a shop. I don't have a physical store. I didn't start with a shop.
Where can we go to find out more about you?
Okay, you can find out more about me on my Facebook page, Remmy Jnr. More of what I do at CravyChops_NG on IG, or Send Them Now Logistics on IG, Facebook, and Twitter. Yeah, you can find us there.
Okay, thank you. It was really nice having you.
Thank you so much.
Very inspiring. So much value. Thank
you so much. Thank you to 421 Television for having me on this episode of the show. Thank you so much.
That was an inspiring session we just had with Remmy Chukwunyere. To find more episodes like this, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. It's still your girl, Sophia. Bye.